This is Britain. At an airfield of the R.A.F. somewhere in the north, a routine night assault upon Nazi Germany is in the offing, and each of these four-motor Lancaster bombers is being loaded with 4 tons of destruction. Multiply these ships in this field by many, and that is the picture of preparation for night attack from Britain. Officers and men of the R.A.F. have met for announcement of their objective.
Keep quiet, everybody.
The eyes of the world are on it and on you, whilst the enemy wildly apprehends. You now know precisely the next item on that list. Cross it off.
Maps, weather, intelligence. All data is carefully checked so that the attack shall have the greatest possible result. Outside, the crews fall out. The time has come. Scores of airfields located throughout Britain, they take off. The night shift is going into action against Hitler's Germany. Morning finds new crews preparing for a round-the-clock attack. Pilots, navigators, gunners, radio men, bombardiers, taking over where last night's flight left off. There must be no lull. No time for the enemy to reconstruct. In two-motor fighting bombers, faster, more maneuverable for tricky daytime work, the men take off. Eastward, they speed over Britain. Here's the English Channel, with planes skimming the water to avoid surprise attack from below. And now they've reached the enemy-occupied coastline. But the objectives are farther inland. Essen, Düsseldorf, Hamburg, that is restricted information. But these pictures tell a typical story.
Chaps, there it is.
Now they strike. Tons of bombs blasting at the heart of Germany's war machine. The vital industries and railways of a nation all out for aggression. Each attack rips another piece from the fabric of Germany's war production. Here is another objective, crossed off the list with a series of heavy blasts. White puffs of ack-ack reach for the planes, but the job is done.